Hunters Mobile Detail, and we come to you. Come on, man, what you waiting on? Like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what time it is. We got the truck. Let me tell y'all what happened, man. The man didn't peed on himself, y'all. No disrespect to that man, you know, but we have a plan, and that plan is to, you know, clean that thing up, man. So, stay number 2, y'all. We dropping these videos, man. It's time to get the job done. Enough with the talking, man. Y'all follow along, man. Hey, my brother came through, y'all. Hold on. Good looking out on little bro. You know, I'm right down the street from the house, so I told him to come through with his phone so I could make this video for that inspiration and motivation for my people. Come on. All right. Racing against the sun right now. It's about to get dark, but we got something for them. Hold on, check this out. Come here. If it get dark, we can't prepare, man. We working at night too, man. Our light shines bright up in the night. Come on, let's go. But let's get to work. Build a relationship with your clients. Don't be rolling up to their house quiet, just hopping out, just straight to the job. Communicate how your day, how you doing. You know, God is good. Talk to them, listen to them, and sell yourself, man. Hey, how I go about it, guys, I like to pre-soak everything ahead of time, everything. And then I get my extractor and I wet it. So I like to get it going ahead of time. Combo. Oh, let there be light, man. Night ain't stopping us. We out here, man. You know what? Let's start this way. You can see my one thing I want to say to y'all people, to the people that want to do detailing, it's not about the equipment you get, it's about the person using the equipment. Now I can do this same job with a Bissell, you know, the, what is it, $160 extractor. And I've met people that use this with me and don't know what they're doing, you know. And some people that's been detailing still don't know what they're doing. They just want to get their money. They're not in it to perfect. They don't enjoy what they're doing. I enjoy this. I hit it one time, come back this way, finish the whole vehicle, then double back and do it again. That's because I want to make sure my clients are happy with the job I do, and they call me back. And they let their uncles, nieces, nephews, aunties, all that, man. Come on, stop laughing at me, brother. So what we're putting on here, guys, hey, put the camera on me, brother. What we're doing here now is that good old shine. You know what I'm saying? Just put that extra cherry on the top, you know? People forget about this stuff, and when they come out, they be like, something looks different about my car, buddy. Looks amazing. Hunter's Mobile Detailing, buddy. That's what I tell them. You didn't know? Oh, man. I crack myself up sometimes. YouTube, that's a wrap. Car is clean. It's night. You guys ain't even really gonna be able to tell what we did, but y'all know we did it right, man. Because it's Hunter's Mobile Detailing, and every detail counts. So look, check us out. Because every detail counts, man. Hey, like, comment, subscribe, all of the above. Show your boys some love. All right.